Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to unbox a Michael Kors. It's a two-way crossbody bag or a cell phone and wallet. So here we go. By the way guys, this video is not sponsored by. I just bought a gift for myself because my husband during my birthday, he gave me a cash gift. It's a two-way Michael Kors crossbody bag or cell phone and wallet. The color is pink vanilla. It's made in Cambodia. Yeah, it's very convenient. The strap is removable and adjustable, and they have a lot of card slots inside. If you have a lot of cards, you can put your cell phone in the zipper pocket and cash. And yeah, they have a lot of card slots if you have more cards, so it's very convenient. The strap is also adjustable. You can remove and removable. The original price was $3.99 and I got it $99. It was on sale. I paid $99 plus tax. So not so bad. And I really love this. I was streaming since a couple months. And I'm so happy my husband, he gave me cash. I bought it. They also have a Velcro packet at the back. Yeah, that's the one I'm showing. And for me, I prefer to use with a sling or a crossbody bag because it's convenient. And the strap is also adjustable, and the strap is, for me, is very high, so I adjust the strap. Yeah, and like that I remove the strap. It's like a wallet. If you don't like a sling, it's like that. Yeah, it's fit also in your purse, and the size is a very small one. So now I put back the strap just to show you how it works. They have a Velcro, and the other side also. It's like that. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for the updates of my next video. See you around. Goodbye.